Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel. Today I came to Eko Paragon to give us site updates on what we have achieved so far. Remember that we did our open house some weeks ago, so I decided to come back today to show you Eko Paragon properly. Today you are going to be seeing the sample unit properly, and you're also going to be seeing other site developments. If you are yet to subscribe to this channel, why not tap the subscribe button and make sure you turn on your notification bell so that you stay connected whenever we drop updates on this channel. If this is your first time of seeing me, my name is Joanne. Welcome to this channel. I'm your best bet for anything off-plan, landed properties, short-term real estate. Just call or WhatsApp the number displayed on your screen and tell me what you want to do with your money, and I'll put you through. You know how we do it. I'll have to turn my camera over and I will take you inside Eko Paragon. Make sure you watch this video on the highest quality so that you can enjoy the view on 100%. Let's go. Welcome back, viewers. So this is the outside of Eko Paragon. This is our perimeter fencing. You can see that 3 units there is completed, but we still have much more things to do. But I just want to start today's video from the outside of the estate. You see, we already have perimeter fencing, and I will take you to the gatehouse. We already have gatehouse, so the estate is 100% secured and gated. At the end of the day, it's going to be a calling estate. You can't just walk in to this estate, so be rest assured of your security when you invest into Eko Paragon. Okay, it's the only hotel residence in Abijo GRA, so I want to take you inside the estate so that we can tour it properly. You will see the level of the development down to the sample unit, because we already have a sample unit. So continue watching and make sure you subscribe. If you don't subscribe, how will you get to know that we've dropped video? For my smart investors that are already keyed in, congratulations. You can see that workers are on site and work is ongoing as always. If you're yet to make your decision, do well to do that quickly, because very soon we're going to be sold out. This estate comes with lovely features. There's going to be a swimming pool, a central swimming pool. There's going to be a mini mart. We call it hotel residence because for every services you are going to get when you go to a hotel, that's what you're going to get in here in Eko Paragon. So it's 100% habitable for you to live in or for you to use as short-let business. Short-let is thriving in Lagos. So imagine if you buy into this project, you are so sure of so much income by next year December. Okay, so this is a section of the 1 and the 2 bed apartments. Okay, I'm going to take us to the 3 bed apartments, but let's see what we have done here. You can see we have a raft foundation and it's very solid. Okay, you're going to have a good living experience if you buy into this project. Okay, so let's keep going. I want to show you our sample unit so that you would see what our 3 bed looks like. Okay, it's in Abijo GRA. If you don't know where Abijo GRA is, let me take my time to explain. Abijo GRA is located after the Naira Mall. Naira Mall is the Lagos biggest ShopRite, which is the Shangotedo ShopRite. So after the Shangotedo ShopRite, there's a place called Kingdom Hall. That is the normal Abijo. We have Abijo and we have Abijo GRA. But if you are coming from the Lekki axis, once you pass the Chevron, you are headed down to Ikota. After Ikota, you are headed to Mega Chicken. After Mega Chicken, you are heading down to the VGC. After the VGC, you are headed to the Aja Under Bridge. So once you get to the Aja Under Bridge, you're headed down to the Abraham Adesanya. From Abraham Adesanya, you get to the Lagos Business School. From Lagos Business School, you are getting to the Sky Mall, the Blenco, the Shangotedo, the After that, you are getting to the Shangotedo shop right. Okay, so from Shangotedo shop right to Abijo GRA is just a 2-minute drive. It's not even far. So let's say you buy a unit here and you're worried. I hope I have good amenities around, like schools, shopping malls, religious centers. Abijo GRA is already an open environment. People are already living here. Okay, even before we started this project, people are already living here. They move from here to go to Lekki for their work. So be rest assured that if you buy into this place, you're not going to lack a thing. Okay, if you drive out of this Eko Paragon residence, you're going to hit the Lekki Expressway within 2 minutes. You're already at the Lekki Expressway. Okay, so let's keep going. We've made a reasonable progress. Okay, aside the sample units, we have more units coming up. We're already tiling. We've already done the POP. We're already tiling. We are doing a whole lot just for you that has bought into Eko Paragon. Okay, we are still working because we have a whole lot to do. Okay, so let's keep going. So the units we have here comprises of 1 bed, 2 bed, and 3 bed. Okay, and they all come with initial deposits and payment plan. Let's see this one. Let's take a look at this one to show you that aside that unit, this unit too, work is in progress. When we get to the furnished apartments, you are going to see that these rooms are very spacious, especially the living room is very, very spacious. See our kitchen. Okay, look at our kitchen. It's a closed kitchen. Comes with the kitchen cabinets and so many other things I'm going to be showing you. So you have to really watch this video till the very end. Can't go up. They just put the tiles so I can't step on it. Let's keep going. For my returning subscribers, thank you so much for always coming back to watch our videos. Thank you for your calls. Thank you for your likes. Thank you for your comments. Thank you for always sharing our videos. I see them all. Thank you so much and God bless you. For you that see me for the first time, please take a minute, just a second. It's not even up to a minute, a second to hit on the subscribe button and join this beautiful community. You're going to learn a whole lot when you subscribe to this channel. Even if you're not ready to invest in real estate, you need the knowledge. You need to see these videos. You need to know these locations, okay? You might also have someone that wants to invest in real estate, so you can be the source of their success. Okay, so subscribe to this channel and turn on your notification bell, because if you don't turn your notification bell, you will not know when we drop updates. Okay, so you can see that a lot is going on, and workers are on site. That's the beautiful thing about this project. Workers are always on site. So all these are going to be your parking space at the end of the day. Yeah, I want us to move into this one. Then afterwards, we'll tour the one that is furnished. So smart investors, take a look. This unit comes empty. exactly the way you are seeing it here. That's the same way you are going to get it. It has this lock for the door. Yeah, this is your guest toilet. Okay, then this is your dining area, or whichever way you want to choose as your dining area. This is your kitchen. See how spacious the kitchen is? Yeah. Aside that, you have a store here. See how spacious the living room is? So let's get upstairs. See the lovely staircase. It's real. I know you are getting value, so please hit your subscribe button and turn on your bell. Okay, it's quite dark here. I believe you can see. Let's see this room. This is one room here. Comes with the wardrobe. Has two windows. Window 1 and window 2. Then this is your toilet and bath. This is your family lounge. This family lounge is actually spacious. You still have something here by the corner. I don't know what you can do with this. This is room 2. Room number 2. It comes with this window and the toilets. Room bath comes with this shower. And this is the room itself. Comes with the wardrobe. So the same way you are seeing the rooms empty, that's the same way you're going to be getting it. Okay, this is the last room here, which is the master's, because I can see a balcony. Let's go. You have lovely space here. You can do whatever you want to do here. Then it has a walk-in closet. That's the wardrobe here. It has, maybe this is your shoe rack. Then this is the toilets and baths. This is your shower section. And this is your toilets and baths. It has this large window. It's not tiny. I've been to some houses that their windows are really tiny. Then let me show you the balcony. So this is your balcony. From here, you see this lovely view. These are your neighbors. Yeah. So let's get to the furnished units. So smart investors, let's see the furnished units. So before you come in, you have this space here. You have this staircase. You have this light here. And let's move. You have this door. This is your guest toilet. See how spacious it is. Then this is your living room. Smart investors, this is a very large living room. Okay, very large. So this is your dining set. You can put your dining there. Then this is your living room from this angle. Okay, so let me take us to the kitchen. So your kitchen has a store here. This is your store here. So this is your kitchen. Okay, everything in this kitchen you would be getting except the washing machine and the standing fridge. Every other thing comes with this kitchen except this washing machine and this. Okay, so you're getting this. Of course, you can't get this, you have to buy for yourself. But the kitchen cabinets, you're getting that. The extractor, you're getting that. The gas cooker, you're getting that. Okay, every other thing in this kitchen, excluding the standing fridge and the washing machine. Okay, so let's go upstairs. Let's get to the masters. I love this family lounge. I love it so much. Voila! Beautiful. Wow, I feel like sleeping here. This is lovely. This is lovely. And this is your walk-in closet. Your wardrobe. That's your bathroom. This is it. You have this space here where you can just change. You have another wardrobe here for those of us that have plenty clothes. The wardrobe is enough for you. Aside this, we have a balcony. I'm going to show that to you. So this is the balcony. These are your neighbors. You have this parking space. You also have all this space. By the time we interlock it, it's going to really look beautiful. Smart investors, these are more units that are still coming up, okay? So call or WhatsApp the number displayed on your screen if you are interested in owning our 3-bed or our 2-bed or our 1-bed, okay? Smart investors, we've gotten to the end of that lovely tour. Okay, so don't forget to hit your subscribe button and turn on your notification bell so that you stay notified whenever we drop updates on this channel. Till I come your way again, enjoy the rest of your day and bye for now.